Hello and welcome back to my channel, the channel which dedicated to promoting healthy and happy lifestyle. Today I got a special treat in store for you, a mouth-watering recipe which not only easy and delicious but incredibly healthy. If you're looking for high protein, low carb and delicious and quick meal, then you must watch this video. This is the list of the ingredients we need, starting with the minced beef, which is lean, soy sauce, sesame oil, few cloves of garlic, brown onion, 1/8 of the big cabbage, 2 pears, 1 apple, chili flake, sesame seed, spring onion, few of them, and fresh mint. I start by chopping our onion to thin slices. I'm gonna make this food in a wok. This wok actually was a birthday present to my wife from one of our dear friend. I add 2 tablespoons of the olive oil, and then I add our chopped onion to the mix, and follow that I start to thinly slice our cabbage, and when we finish with chopping our cabbage, I add it to our onion and I start to frying the mix in high temperature. And as we keep mixing the ingredient, when the cabbage and onion start to lose in some of the water and become more transparent, we start to next stage, which is peeling our clove of the garlic and chop them to very thin slices. Then I add them to the mix and start to fry all of those 3 ingredients together to become nice and dehydrated. As we're doing this is good time to start to marinating our meat. To do so, I start with peeling our pears and apple. I use the pears and apples because it's much healthier options. They give very nice taste to our food and sweet taste, as well as providing a lot of nutrition such as fiber, vitamins and minerals as well. When we're done with the peeling the apple and pears, the next stage is to grind them. I'm going to use the big bowl because I want to mix all of those ingredients together. And when I finish with the grating our apple as well as pears, I add our next ingredient, which is our soy sauce. I use a little cups instead of a table or teaspoon, which recently we purchased. I add about 2 tablespoons initially, and then follow that again I add another 2 tablespoons sesame oil. I add around 5 or 6 tablespoons of the soy sauce initially, and I add 1 teaspoon of chili flake, and then I add our 1 kilo of the beef mince, and I start to mix them, and I add again another 5 tablespoons of the soy sauce. In total I use around 10 to 11, and then I add around 2 tablespoons of the sesame seed. Sesame seed is packed with a lot of nutrition, especially healthy fat, B vitamin, minerals, fiber and antioxidant and more, which is very good to incorporate in your diet. As you can see, when I mix, I put all of the meat in thin layer in our wok, and when they start to some of the juice coming up, I turn our meat to other side start to cooking as well. We try to get rid of the most of the moisture, as you can see, and as the moisture disappear, we see the meat starts to get fried just like now in its oil. And in that stage we even increase the temperature a bit more to give them a bit of charcoal kind of taste to our mix as well. We don't want to overdo it, but as we get a bit of you see a bit of ingredient then just like this stage our food is ready. I'll put it in a bowl, and to garnish it I start to wash some of the spring onion and chop them to small thin pieces, and then I add it in top with some of the mint, which goes quite well actually with mint, this food. Here we have it, and then I sprinkle a bit more sesame seed. In this stage we're gonna make our salad, which you saw there is, you can make your own salad, and we have it. Beautiful meal ready to eat. You can have this meal with the rice or wrap. Here you have it, a healthy and delicious beef wrap inspired by bulgogi. If you're ready to tantalize your taste bud and nourish your body, there's time to start to cooking. Make sure to collect and gather all of those ingredients which are mentioned in this video, and get ready to start your own fantastic foodie experience. I just want to thank you also for joining me on quest to having a healthier lifestyle. And if you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumb up, and please share it with family and friends which you think they appreciate wholesome food. Stay healthy, and I will see you all in my next video. See you later.